Mastering Modesty, the art of tooting your own horn. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, toot your own horn. This expression is not only colorful but also packed with cultural nuances that can enrich your English communication skills. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and the fine line between confidence and arrogance. Toot your own horn is an idiomatic expression that means to boast or brag about your own achievements or talents. The phrase originates from the tradition of blowing a horn to announce one's arrival or to celebrate a victory, drawing attention to oneself. In modern contexts, it's about highlighting your accomplishments, often in a public or social setting. Understanding the cultural context of this phrase is crucial. In many English-speaking societies, self-promotion is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's essential for career advancement, networking, and personal branding. On the other hand, excessive self-praise can be perceived as arrogance, which is generally frowned upon. This section delves into how to balance this act gracefully, ensuring you can toot your own horn without crossing the line into boastfulness. Using the phrase, toot your own horn, can be tricky, especially in a second language. This section provides practical tips and examples on when it's appropriate to use this expression, such as during job interviews, performance reviews, or networking events, and how to do it tastefully. We'll explore phrases and strategies that allow you to share your achievements modestly and effectively. For those who find direct self-promotion uncomfortable, there are alternative ways to highlight your achievements without sounding boastful. This section introduces other expressions and techniques, like highlighting accomplishments, sharing successes, and discussing professional growth, which can convey your achievements in a more subtle and socially acceptable manner. Toot your own horn is a vibrant expression that captures the delicate art of self-promotion. Remember, it's all about balance. Being proud of your achievements while remaining humble and considerate of how you're perceived. We hope this video has shed light on how to effectively and modestly talk about your successes in English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to celebrate your achievements in a way that feels right to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.